Hello and welcome to this unique e-learning course on leadership and motivation. This is an initiative by the Indian School of Business in collaboration with the Department of School Education, Punjab. In this short tutorial video, I will walk you through the elements of this course and our learning management system, in short called as LMS. I will describe the various features of our LMS so that you can have a smooth learning experience. So, let's get started. You must have received a welcome email from the mail ID noreply@in.centumlearning.com. It would look something like this. This email contains a basic introduction of the course and the link to the LMS as well as your credentials to log into the portal. Please click on the link and open it using Google Chrome. We recommend Chrome to ensure best results. The login page would look something like this. Here, you will have to enter your user ID and password and click on Sign In. The first thing that you will notice as soon as you log in is a user dashboard. This dashboard will provide a snapshot of your activity on this portal. For starters, you can begin by updating your profile. To do that, you can click on the arrow appearing next to your name and then click on Profile. This will open the profile page, which contains certain pre-updated fields. Here you can change your password as well as update your profile image. This step is completely optional. After you have made the necessary changes to your profile, please go back to the main dashboard by clicking on the Home icon. The first thing you will notice on the dashboard is a section called Development Journey. This section shows the sequence in which you will be prompted to complete the modules and your progress. As soon as you complete a module, a green tick will automatically appear on top of the module and the next module will become accessible. Please note, there is a preset sequence for attempting and completing the modules. When you click on a particular topic, you will see all the contents in detail. For example, each module will have 4 to 6 short videos, few activities, reading materials, few quizzes and a game. You will have 21 days to complete all the modules in this course, and during these 21 days, you can decide your own pace of progress. In any module, when you click the play button, the video will start. Each video is followed by flashcards. These cards will help you in recapitulating the contents of the video. The flashcard will either be followed by a submission, quiz, or a discussion post. The quizzes are all comprised of multiple choice questions. You can simply select the correct answer and click on Submit. Please note, you will have to answer all the questions before you submit the quiz. On clicking Submit, your answer will be recorded and your score will be displayed. If you have failed the quiz, you will have an option to reattempt it. On clicking the discussion post activity, you will have to click here to view. This will load a new page with the question and the instructions. Here, you will also be able to see the responses posted by your colleagues. After adding your comment, simply click on Post and then come back to the main page to click on Done. This will complete your activity. Additionally, we have added several interesting gamifications in all the modules to make your learning journey super fun. I am showing you a glimpse of few of the games in this tutorial. Each activity has points assigned to it, and completion of these activities will fetch those points for you. This can also be seen on the dashboard under the leaderboard section. To know more about the leaderboard and points associated with activities, please click on the rule book here. Another important section on the dashboard is called My Learning Progress. This section will help you in understanding your overall progress like courses completed, learning hours spent, leaderboard rank, points, etc. The Learner Analytics section here will provide a micro-analysis for each of the module. The social feed on dashboard is a very useful feature where you can see all the discussion posts and comments which your colleagues have posted on various topics. Each post will show the number of responses, and at any given time, you can simply click here and view them. These posts can also be viewed via the individual modules, but this section on the dashboard provides a bird's eye view and gives you an opportunity to quickly comment or respond to a comment. Lastly, after you have successfully completed all the modules, you will be able to view your certificate here. You can download and save the certificate for future reference. Along with the certificate, there will be a post-course survey. This survey will help us in understanding if you have enjoyed the course, as well as provide us pointers for improvement. Anytime during the course, if you have any issues, please send us an email at the email ID mentioned on the screen, and we will get back to you to resolve the issue. All the best to all of you in this journey. Happy learning!